Hello everyone! How are you? This is Kay. Good to see you. Welcome back to another live stream of my YouTube channel. This is the 20th of November on Wednesday. So, how are you? Good to see you. I hope we are having a great week this week so far. So, today I will be doing my analysis on Forex markets, and I will also read some comments and let's review the markets together today. Okay, so and also I released the free KTS course a few days ago, and this is to learn the overview of my whole strategy from the concept of the trend follow mindset to how to capture the trending market and how I enter exit my trades. So this is just an overview, but by taking this free course, then I'm sure you have better understanding of my strategy, and also you can refer to how to build your own strategy if you want to. So, and then if you want to learn more, deeper knowledge about my strategy or Ichimoku or trade psychology, then you're always welcome to join KTS Academy or Global Trading School. Global Trading School starts in next January 2025. So if you want to join and have private mentoring, then please email me for details. So let me say hi to everyone and start the live streams. Okay, Pires, good to see you. Thank you for joining. And Nadim, good to see you too. Good to see you too. Thank you for joining. Yeah, I haven't been able to do the live stream for a few reasons. One is that I have some technical issues on the the membership of courses, so I was busy fixing the issue, and also I am into like new business, and I have been a bit busy to set up the new business structure. But whenever I have time, I do the live stream here, so feel free to join if you have time, or you can always watch the archive and learn something new also. All right, hello Faiz, good to see you. Thank you for joining as well. All right, and H Hamza, good to see you too. He says, I learned Ichimoku from your channel from 2 years. I learned everything. KTS free complete. Oh, good. Okay, thanks for taking the free course. But I face issues trading time psychology. I learned 3-4 strategy, but Ichimoku is the best, and how to set my so psychology is really important. Even if you learn my strategy, or even if you learn Ichimoku strategy, if your psychology is not fitting with mine, then you won't be able to be success. So yes, technical analysis and how to enter exit trades is important, but psychology also takes a big part. Psychology and also the money management skills are very important. And on top of psychology and the money management, and there is trade strategy like entry, or how to select the market, and how to how to set the stop loss and so on. So yeah, trade psychology is really important, and I do have a lot of videos in the KTS Academy for the psychology topic. So feel free to join. It's psychology is something that basically comes from the experience, and basically you have to learn based on your experience. You can read the books, you can view my videos, but after all, you are the one who needs to really experience and get the wisdom from your own trade psychology. So yeah, I think the journey will be quite long, or it's the journey never ends when it comes to psychology, but there is the correct way. Like there is the way to way to go for the psychology. If you go completely opposite direction for psychology, then you wouldn't fit my strategy, or you wouldn't fit the Ichimoku strategies either. Yeah. Okay, let me check some more comments. Hello Ivan, good to see you. And Adam, good to see you too. Thank you for joining. Exolo, good to see you too. Thank you for joining as well. Right. Yes, I will do some analysis in the markets today. Okay. Yeah, let me say hi. All right, CSM, good to see you. And Sarosh, good to see you. Welcome back. Thank you very much for joining today. And Vilad, good to see you. And Mariboz, good to see you too. Welcome back. Thank you for joining again. Good to see you. Okay. Yeah, it's so nice to see some, members are joining and, text me, say, how are you? Nice to see you again. It's really nice to see these comments. Okay. All right, Jojo, good to see you. All right. KTS free doesn't work. I tried 2 times, but it says not available. The system itself has been working well, so it could be due to your PC or internet situation, I'm sure. I tested the videos yesterday as well because I got some emails, but every time I test on my end, they are working. So it could be due to some network, or could be some regulation in your region maybe. The system, the videos are actually made through Vimeo, V-I-M-E-O, Vimeo. And in case if the Vimeo is not available in your country, then you won't be able to see the videos, unfortunately. So please check. Okay, hello market analysis, good to see you. And Danish, good to see you too. Thank you for joining. All right, from sunny but very cold UK. Oh, it's getting cold. Right, Dubai has been really hot still. It's warm. It's like 32, 33 degrees still in the daytime. At nighttime, the temperature gets a bit lower, but it goes down to probably like 25 or 6 degrees Celsius. So after sun goes down, it becomes more comfortable, but when the sun's out, still it's very hot. So yeah, it's really nice. This is my basically 4th year of being in Dubai. Time flies. I have been in Dubai for 4 years already, and yeah, it's been a really nice journey for me. Okay, so today it's been a while since I did the live stream last time, and on Sundays, I do the weekly forecast, so my focus is more into analysis. But today it's Wednesday, and it seems like the markets are a bit ranging in the Forex market, so I decided to just take it easy and read some comments or check the markets time to time, and I want to just do the live stream in this style today. Okay, hello Afif, good to see you. Thank you for joining as well. And Ko, good to see you too. All right. Batrodias could say, he says, hello from Greece. Thank you for joining. To see you. All right. Do you implement econometrics or any other type of quantitative process to your strategy? Thank you. No, I don't. My strategy is really simple. As you see in the free KTS course, that's basically how I designed my own strategy. Okay, let me see. Sarosh says, Kay, when you quit your job, wasn't it hard to be full-time trader? Did you have regret that time because you were not profitable? Yes. I regret a lot. I thought really it was really too early for me to quit the job, because I was working full-time and I was HR, a human resource, and time to time I had to do night shift too. So I was doing daytime or nighttime working for as a HR, because it was international company. So sometimes I had to be in the meeting conference in Japan nighttime. So yeah, my schedule was really off. So that's why it was really stressful, and I really wanted to become a full-time trader. So I quit the job after I see profitable result for 3 to 6 months, and I thought, I'm genius. Okay, I built my own strategy. I have tested well, and it's been working, 3-6 months, half a year. So why not? I think I can be success. So I quit. Then what happened was that I started to lose, and the reason was obvious. The reason I started to lose after becoming full-time trader is because I changed my own strategy to trade more frequently, and also I adapted some new strategies as well. Because when I was working full-time, I couldn't really see charts 24 hours. But after I quit my job, I have 24 hours to really invest, to check charts and to trade. So basically I was really excited. So I thought my journey really starts from here, and I will be making lots of profits in trading. I was really excited, and I thought I was ready. But because of that, I kept losing, and that was really frustrating. So like I mentioned in the previous couple of videos or live streams, I was taking like 20 trades per day, 20 to 30 trades per day, every day after I quit my job. So basically I was a scalper. I had like 6 monitors in front of myself, and I was looking at so many information, including the news website, and also news programs. And also I think this is in Japan specific, but we do lots of people use Twitter. Now it's called X, right? So lots of people use X to refer to the latest information. So one of the screens was the social media, like to capture the latest information, what's happening among the markets. Let's say when USDJPY goes up and down, suddenly, then more than the news website, latest information will be usually appeared on X. So I can really also see the traders' reaction of the market movement through X real time, and that was really amazing. There are also some other real-time chat system like Yahoo. It's called Yahoo in Japan. It also has like a real-time chat system. You can actually follow it, and you can see exactly what's going on, much more quicker than news or website announcements. So I was really using that to capture the the information. But anyways, I was becoming a scalper like that, and then I failed basically. So that was really difficult, very difficult. But because of that hard experience, I learned the importance of the risk management, importance of the psychology too. So everything is, after all, is lesson. If you can turn your if you can turn your difficult experience as your wisdom or your experience, then you're going to be able to success for sure. But don't avoid. Do never avoid to look for the reasons of why you lost or something. Always, I don't want to say stay positive, but always try to learn something from the experience is also important. When I talk about that, then I can go on and on about psychology, so I think I will just stop for now. But yeah, I think that in terms of mindset, it's really important as a trader. All right, let me say hi to more people. KVN, good to see you from France. Thank you for joining. And Hossam, also good to see you from Egypt. Thank you for joining as well. And Mac from Australia, good to see you. Thank you very much for joining. Looks like people are from everywhere in the country, so it's really nice to connect today. Thank you very much. Okay. Hamza says, on your YouTube channel, some powerful video is private. How to get it free? Kindly publish. Also KTS free. Yeah, this KTS course is basically free, so you can sign up. I recently launched this free KTS course. You can find the link on the description of this live stream. So please view the videos and get those lessons. Yeah, Danish, you're lucky. I do miss Dubai sun since I came there last time. Right. Yeah, we met in Dubai, and that was really amazing, right? Yeah. Okay. Let me check some more comments and then move on to analysis. Well, today it's like a free topic, so if the chat is more interesting, then I will do that too. Basically, I have checked the markets like twice per day today already, and looks like among the Forex markets are ranging. I see Bitcoin is now going up still. And if you look at the Bitcoin in a daily time frame, the Kumo is now getting thicker. So before I said it's overbought, but now I don't say it's overbought. I think the new bullish trend is now started. So I think that's something new this week. Okay, Oli says, how are you doing? Is a free KTS the old version you had previously on your added new content? Yes. Basically, those videos were actually in YouTube, but I made it as a course because I get so much emails, like which videos to view first to really understand my strategy. So that's why I made it as a course structure, so that you can really learn my strategy step by step. Okay, System says, I enter trade considering the condition of the KTS and usually 30-40 pips before the resistance and support level. Is that okay? Sure, it's okay. Yeah. Okay. Exola says, please do an Forex Tester live in range market. Yeah, in a range market, I don't really trade. So I prefer to do it in the trending market. Yes, I am actually making a new video about the Forex Tester as they are launching some new product, and the team actually contacted me to promote the new software or their new service. So the video will be available soon. You will see the new feature in Forex Tester. But it's been really helpful. Whenever I build my own strategy, for sure I use the Forex Tester to really verify that my strategy works in the long term. Then I start to implement that in the live market. If I don't see the good result in the Forex Tester, then I will never use that in the live market. So it's really good to test. The good thing about the Forex Tester is that you don't see the future candlesticks. So you can practice, you can test as if That's the live market. So simply I pick the random pair, random time, random year, and start testing like 100 trades and see the result. Okay, Ko says, I read the book Trading in the Zone that you recommended. I find it's kind of contradiction when I do technical analysis while implementing his idea. Okay. It's deep when I'm trying to get into the zone. Right. Yeah, it may be contradicting, but you just get the essence of what's important in terms of trade psychology. Yeah, that Trade in the Zone by Mark Douglas is my favorite trade psychology book, and I have read it so many times. So that's why I recommend to read it for everyone. Okay, hello Rage Against, good to see you, and Simofonja, good to see you too. In this market situation, can we use Kijun-sen retracement strategy, or what pairs right now we can use it? Yeah, you can use the Kijun-sen retracement strategy, but basically when the markets are ranging like this, and I simply stay away. I don't want to trade. Yeah, because even if the Kijun-sen retracement is happening, the market may be choppy and it may only move like a few pips or maybe 20-30 pips per day. You don't really get lots of profit. So it's not really time efficient to take profits for me. So I prefer to wait for the major trending markets. Okay, Buhupesh, good to see you. Thank you for joining. And Steritha, good to see you too. Thank you for joining. Tony Gold says, but you don't give up and you learned and now you are a professional. That's true. That's true. Yeah, never give up is also the key to success. Yes. All right. Sunil says, please analyze Nifty on the daily chart. Okay, so Nifty chart was going down. I remember when I did the live stream on Sunday. So what's the situation? Is it still going down or is it bouncing and go up after Kijun-sen touch? Yeah, let's see. Hello, Tikal. Hello from Dubai. Oh, good to see you. Someone from Dubai as well. Thank you for joining. Okay, Fai says Euro CAD is trending bearish. Okay, so let me now check the market. So let me switch the screen to trading view and Euro CAD. So Euro CAD, here is the daily time frame, and right, it's going bearish and it's being resisted by the Tenkan-sen, so that's good. Seems like it's going down and it's about to break the support of 1.471. However, in terms of the daily time frame, the Kumo is very tiny and thin. So that means the market may be retrace here. So in this situation, it's better to wait for the breakout, I guess. And also it depends on how strong the support is. And I analyze how strong support is by looking at the lower time frame. So here is a daily time frame, and let me just hide the comment so you can see which time frame I'm on right now. And let me go to 1 hour, for example. 1 hour time frame has been trending down and Kumo looks good. And it just broke the previous support and the resistance, which is also nice. So I think the market at least goes down to here, 1.471 for now. So to that support level, let's see, we have about 31 pips only. So it's not really a big amount of pips to the support level. So in this case, I simply put the alert below the support 1.471 And once it triggers, I come back and check the chart and look for the trailing edge to sell. So, and also how to, so I check the 1 hour and I find that this is called outside bar, outside. So when outside happens and outside bar breakout happens bullish, this is called outside bar retrace, reverse. So when outside retrace happens, the support level is quite strong. So that means again, since daily Kumo is very tiny, the market touches the support, or even before it touches, sometimes it bounces and retraces to Tenkan-sen, because it has been also support resisted by the Tenkan-sen here and here in 1 hour. So I think the market retraces Tenkan-sen, then bounce and finally goes bearish. So it's risky to sell right now, in my opinion. Or if you sell right now, you put the stop loss above the swing high, then I think it won't be an issue to wait for the breakout. You keep holding and the market breaks the support and continuously be bearish, and you take profit on the next target. Yeah, so that's the Euro CAD. I think the markets are, lower time frames are active, but not in terms of the daily time frame. So here is the Euro USD, as Alexander also made a comment on this one. Euro USD has been bearish. I think technically speaking also it's been bearish. And now there is a Kumo, Senko span A down, Senko span B flat, which is making the Kumo thickness to be bigger and thicker. So that means this downtrend is now continuous. So more than Euro CAD, Euro USD is likely to break the support and goes down continuously. For now, my target is 1.0450, and there is about 87 pips of room to trade. So yeah, we can actually look for, if there is a Kijun-sen bearish. Let me check the 4 hour. Okay, 4 hours range, so there's no trend at the moment. So the market may not break the support. And Tenkan-sen is above the Kijun-sen too. So most likely, I think this week, Euro USD keeps ranging, and sometime next week may break out the support. Or one of the fundamental news this week may cause the market breaks the support and goes down as well. But I don't think it breaks soon, so we can just monitor for now. Okay, so that was Euro USD. Okay, let me see. Hello Clifford, good to see you. Thank you for joining. And Ali, good to see you too. Okay, so let me check Nifty as well, as per request. Okay, so hold on, let me just check that comment over here. Well, okay, so let me see. Okay, here you go, and I go to index and Nifty chart. Okay, so let's start from the weekly time frame. So for the weekly time frame, there was okay, so market retraced and broke the Kijun-sen bearish last week actually, and now it's between Kumo and Kijun-sen. So in this condition, basically it's range in terms of the weekly time frame. And then if you look at the daily time frame, it's been bearish. So I think downtrend is continuous. I think the market goes down to 23,000. It has not really been resisted by Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen, but I noticed that the previous support became the resistance. So this is a typical reverse pattern, and now we have pin bar today. So if the pin bar breakout happens tomorrow, bearish like this way, then most likely it touches 23,000. But since weekly is range, after that it may go up, or I put this arrow down, but the market may consolidate, still being choppy, ups and downs in the daily time frame until it reaches here too. So either way it's bearish, but the momentum is getting weaker now. Nifty has been bullish for quite some time, but ever since the 27th of September it has been retracing. So retracing in the daily time frame and the weekly time frame is still range. So yeah, that's the analysis on the Nifty chart. Okay, Cheater says, I trade ES and NQ. Would your system work well on these as they trade 23 hours a day? Yes, it works. It works. I have tested on indices and some stock markets as well, and it works. But you have to shift the time frames higher. My system is basically to trade Forex market, and that's why I use 5-minute or 15-minute time frame to exit my trades. But in stock markets or index, I think 5 minutes is too low, so you can use maybe 15 or even 30-minute time frame or even 1 hour to exit the trades and follow the bigger time frame trends. So yeah, so that was my comment. So let me check some other markets today. So there was, let's see, I think also Euro Pound is now good. This is a weekly time frame. So it has been bearish. Although it's been very choppy, it has been bearish, and Kumo shape is really nice. It's still not too thin. So that means downtrend is still continuous. And it has been choppy because now it's reaching the support of 0.8259. So I want to enter trade on this one before the breakout happens, so that once the breakout really happens, then usually the candlestick becomes bigger, and that's when I make lots of pips, bigger pips than other trading opportunities. And that's how that's one of the ways for me to get bigger risk in the reward ratio overall before entering before the break of the support resistance. So weekly is Kumo is getting thicker, bigger, so that's nice. And I have been monitoring the daily time frame, but daily is range at the moment, no trend. And also 4 hour is range as well. So I want the 4 hour to range continuously, then gradually goes bearish, and that will make actually the Kumo thinner like this way. And then once the market breaks the support level, then Kumo twist bearish, and Kijun Sen comes below the Kumo as well, and Tenkan Sen will be also below the Kumo, and the Chikou span will be also below the candlestick as well, and that will be the perfect entry timing before the break of the support. And then the market breaks the support. It may be traced, but I keep holding until it breaks the support. Then usually the market goes down much more than before it breaks, and I expect bigger reward in this particular trade. And after the breakout of 0.8259, I think the market will be less choppy. So I think I can also make better profits, in more stable profits in this way. So I do read the future scenario like this way. And this is just one of the ideas. And this doesn't have to come true. It could be bearish, bullish, like it could be down. And it may break the Kumo, but next the market may be supported here and goes up as well, and then it may form the descending P wave, right? Descending P wave is descending triangle, like this way. And when this happens, then before the breakout of the descending P wave, usually the Kumo twist bearish already, and Tenkan-sen will be below the Kijun-sen usually. Then once it breaks, that's going to be the perfect entry timing, and Chikou span also becomes below the candles as well. So that's also going to be perfect timing to sell. Then I wait until it breaks the support, major support level, and extend my profits as much as possible. So that's another scenario, right? So as I monitor the market every day, I create the scenarios, and as it keeps changing, I create new scenarios, new patterns in my mind, and once one of my scenarios become really true, then I go in the market. So in this way, I never jump in the market, because everything is based on my scenario, and when the market really moves according to my scenario, then that's when I feel more confident to enter trades. So Euro Pound is now range in 4 hour in the daily, but the weekly is about to break the support, so I'm waiting for some kind of bearish pattern in either daily 4 hour time frames to enter trade before the break of the support. So yeah, let's see. Hello Ichimoku Trader, good to see you. All right, and Cheater, you're welcome too. And new list, good to see you. Many thanks for offering the free KTS, very useful, and now I can understand some of the terms you are using in live streams. I also send an email. Okay, all right, I'm glad to hear that. Glad to hear that. Yeah, so yeah, free KTS course is newly launched. It's to get an overview of my whole strategy system, and the link is available in the description on this live stream. So if you haven't taken it yet, please do. But and I think I will be making some more new lessons or new free course. So yeah, please look forward to it. Okay, Ichimoku Trader says, I got nice pips on gold based on Tenkan-sen retracement on a daily time frame and follow M30 time frame. It's a very powerful strategy. Yeah. Tenkan-sen retracement on the daily time frame. Let me see. Yeah, so gold is now retracing. So let me go to commodity and XAUUSD. And here is the daily time frame. So yeah, I think you captured the pips here, Monday and Tuesday. After the market has been supported by the previous resistance, it went up to the Tenkan-sen, and now it's heading towards the Kijun-sen. So this type of the situation is called Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen retracement. Whenever Tenkan-sen flat or Kijun-sen flat, the market tends to be attracted to either Tenkan-sen or Kijun-sen. So now the market has reached the Tenkan-sen already yesterday, and today and this week I think the market reaches the Kijun-sen. So for now, this is again the daily time frame. In terms of Ichimoku viewpoint, the daily time frame is range because the Kumo is flat, Kijun-sen is flat, and Chikou span is very close, right? But in the lower time frames, you know, like M30 or 1 hour, this is bullish. So if I just click on a 1 hour time frame, then you see the market has been up and bullish, and there was actually a double bottom here, and the neckline is now broken bullish. So looks like gold is now having a new momentum to buy at the moment from 1 hour perspective. So this is the power of multiple time frame analysis. You check the daily time frame, you see its range, but when you find the trending market based on 1 hour time frame, you can still follow it, and target again will be either Tenkan-sen or Kijun-sen. In terms of how to enter the trade or exit the trades, then please take the free KTS course and get an overview, understanding of how I do it. Okay, hello Eric, good to see you. Thanks for joining. All right, welcome back. Good to see you. It's been a while. Okay, Wick John says, after finish the free first KTS lesson, I tried to hit finish, but it didn't work. Okay, you have to click the mark button, then move on to the next lesson. Okay, new list, thank you. Looking forward to more. You're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you very much for the comment. Eric says, I'm applying our GTS principles, Sensei, on crypto. Looks very promising so far, especially BTC. Sure. Yeah, thank you very much for the comment. He is actually a graduate of GTS long ago. And there is actually an interview video with him, so you can come to the GTS website, which is also in the description, and find our interview. But basically, my strategy is a trend follow strategy. So whenever the trend happens in the market, it works, whether it's cryptos or Forex or commodity or stocks or indices. But yeah, I'm so glad that you have been taking trades on Bitcoin. Since it's renewing higher and higher, you know, it's very powerful. Okay, Fight says, K, do you watch other gurus that use Ichimoku? No, I don't. Okay. So, all right, let me see. So let me check few more markets and comments, then I will be finishing live in about 10 minutes from now. Okay, so I was also monitoring, let me see, what was it? Yeah, AUD-USD. I think AUD-USD is also another interesting market to monitor this week, because this is a daily time frame first of all, and the Kumo is getting thicker and bigger. So that means this downtrend is continuous, and also Kijun-sen is down, Chikou span below the candles. So as per KTS, it's bearish, it's downtrend, and stable downtrend. Right? And what's more, today the market was resisted by the previous support levels, which is 0.6536. So I think the market goes down to the yellow trend line, and we have a room of about 100 pips or so to take. So I'm looking for the selling opportunity on AUD USD, and once it happens, I sell and I trail until it reaches the trend line. The yellow trend line is actually based on higher time frame. If I just zoom out all the way on this daily time frame, there are 3 touches already here and here and here too. So I think it goes bearish this week. And yeah, so that's my analysis on this one. And also I draw the trend line, I draw the support resistance levels, and I say we have a room of 100 pips or so to trade. But if you have reviewed my free KTS course, then I think you know that I don't take profit here, because the chances are the market may break the support or it may break the trend line, and once it breaks, usually it becomes a longer bar, longer candlestick, and the trend continues. So if it continues, there's no reason for me to exit the trade before it happens. And this is the way to also make my profit factor bigger, which is the risk-reward ratio to be bigger. And that's how I basically make profits in a good scenario. But this type of strategy takes patience. Let's say you enter sell now and the market starts to go your direction, and if it goes, let's say 30-40 pips only, then you may just want to take profit. Could be because you want to cover the previous losses, or you may be already happy to take 30-40 pips per day, or could be your target per day or per week. Whatever the reasons, you may just take profit there, although the trend is still continuous, and that's a loss. You're losing the potential, more profits, more pips to take. So I never exit until the market ends the trend. So that's why I say as long as it goes, I trial. And so in this case, in this scenario, the market may go down and it goes bearish this way. It hits the trend line, let's say, then it may retrace. But even if it retraces, if Ichimoku shows bearish, let's say Kumo is still down, Kijun Sen still down, Chikou span still below the candles, then that's not the reason for me to exit yet. Instead, I continue holding the trade and then see if the market breaks the trend line and continues bearish. So what I mean by the target is that it may go down to here, reach there, and see if it breaks or not, is what I mean by the target. It doesn't mean that I take profit here. So yeah, please keep in mind the concept of my strategy. Yeah, this may be where the tail of the fish or head of the fish, but the body part may extend after the breakout of the support or the trend line, and simply wherever the market starts to retrace or range, that's when you take profit. So this is one of the very powerful strategy or ideas of my KTS. Okay, let me check some other comments now. New List says, does it make sense to be aware that Ukraine-Russia escalation may have caused the gold bullishness? Yeah, it could be the reason, right? Could be the reason. I don't really see any direct relationship yet, but it may affect the gold over time from now. Okay, we says, is there any difference from Sasaki on Ichimoku Kinko Hyo? No difference, no difference. He was also a great analyst of Ichimoku, and he was also one of the masters of Ichimoku in Japan. SGN says, for someone working full-time job, what is the lowest time frame should we use? I still recommend to use 5-minute time frame as the lowest. Okay, reverse in the wave, is it right on the AUD-USD chart? I mean, yeah, reverse in the wave, right? It's called a reverse in the wave at the moment. So yeah, let's see. I think the market goes bearish and reverse in the wave can continue down this way because of the thicker and bigger Kumo on the daily time frame. So yeah, I think for now I will finish the live in a few minutes. It's time for me to have a dinner now. It's about 7 p.m. here in Dubai time. And I'm getting hungry. Getting hungry now. Okay, let's see. Okay, hello Wisdom Friday, good to see you. And Wick Jong, good to see you too. All right. I got it. So your strategy using Ichimoku in the daily time frame to identify trend and support. Daily and 4-hour time frames to identify the trending market. Yes, and once you spot the clear trend, you will try to first entry in the lower time frame using indicators such as stochastic. Yes, that's true. That's right. So I do use multiple time frame analysis. Yeah. Marbosa says, I don't know why, but every time my mood is down from trading, I miss Japan. Got nothing to do with trading, but I'm sure I miss Tokyo. Yeah. If that's the case, yeah, I hope you visit Tokyo or Japan one day soon and have peace in mind. Yeah, it happens to me also sometimes, you know. All of a sudden, I start to miss somewhere or my home country or some food or something. So yeah, I think our body needs it sometimes, right? And you don't want to go against it. You just accept it and continue. Hello Sarosh, you're welcome. And Ichimoku Trader, you're welcome too. All right. Kali TV says, can we do backtesting after your free KTS Academy? Yes, you can do it. I recommend you to do backtesting after finishing the free KTS course, but the free KTS course does not really give you any details about the strategy. Well, I share my strategy, but it's not really so specific. So I recommend you to do backtesting after finishing the KTS Academy or GTS. During the GTS course in 3 months, I suggest everyone to do the backtesting, and I review their result during the 3 months, and I comment how to improve the trades. So yeah, it's better to backtest after you master my strategy, because you don't want to waste time to do that. It takes time to backtest actually. 100 trades. Could be 1 week or 2 weeks or even more if you're new to backtesting, so it may take time. You better have the correct understanding of Ichimoku and my strategy and then backtest, unless you are creating your own strategy. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I will finish live now, and yeah, thank you very much again everyone for joining today. It's been really nice to see everyone's comments. So yeah, hope to see you again soon, and until I see you next time, please stay healthy, stay safe, and stay gold. Bye for now. Mata ne. Thank you very much.